Welcome to our training on order cancellations and account health. Order cancellations are a normal part of almost every sales operation and happen for a variety of reasons. Today we'll cover the order cancellation process, how it impacts your cancellation rate, and tips to improve this metric. The cancellation rate measures all seller-initiated order cancellations as a percentage of total orders during a 7-day period. Pending orders or items canceled by the buyer don't count toward your cancellation rate. To maintain an active and healthy selling account, sellers are expected to maintain a cancellation rate under 2.5%. Higher rates can result in account deactivation. When a buyer raises an official cancellation request and the order hasn't been shipped or confirmed as shipped, you can cancel their order without impacting your cancellation rate. You'll be notified of all official cancellation requests through your email, your application programming interface or API, and in Seller Central through your order reports and Manage Orders page. There may be situations where you need to initiate a cancellation for reasons related to your listing or offer. We get it, stuff happens. However, it's important to minimize these issues because seller-initiated cancellations negatively impact your cancellation rate. To cancel an order, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Orders and select Manage Orders. On the Manage Orders page, select the Unshipped tab. Here, locate the order and select Cancel Order in the Action column. Next, select your reason for canceling. Be sure to always select the correct reason, as this can directly impact your cancellation rate. Finally, select Cancel Order to send an email confirmation to the customer. There are some instances where Amazon will cancel an order. Amazon will auto-cancel orders if you haven't confirmed shipment within 7 days of the ship-by date. This will negatively impact your cancellation rate. Amazon will also cancel orders when the customer is identified as fraudulent or their payment method can't be verified. This won't impact your cancellation rate. To view your cancellation rate, open the main menu in Seller Central. Next, hover over Performance and select Account Health. On the Account Health dashboard, locate the Shipping Performance column and select Pre-Fulfillment Cancel Rate. Here, you'll see your cancellation rate for the past 7 days. Now let's cover 5 tips for maintaining a healthy cancellation rate. Tip number 1, prevent out-of-stock inventory. Out-of-stock inventory is the most common reason sellers initiate order cancellations. Canceling an order when a product is out of stock not only impacts your cancellation rate, but can also lead to negative customer feedback. To prevent this, keep an eye on your stock levels and consider having dedicated inventory for Amazon if you sell through multiple channels. Also, consider increasing the frequency of your inventory updates from monthly to weekly or weekly to daily. Tip number 2, reach out to the customer if their address is undeliverable. If a buyer's address is undeliverable, contact them through buyer-seller messaging. In your message, you can request any additional information needed to make the address deliverable, or request they cancel the order and place a new one with their correct or updated address. If the customer is unresponsive, there's a chance they've opted out of non-critical messages and didn't receive yours. In this case, you can send a critical message to the customer when information is needed to complete an order. To learn more, search for Send a Critical Message to a Buyer in Seller Central. Tip number 3, keep pricing accurate at all times. Canceling an order due to an accidental low price can result in negative customer feedback and impact your cancellation rate. Check your listings weekly or daily to help ensure your pricing is always correct. Tip number 4, enable vacation mode when you can't fulfill orders. If you're unable to fulfill orders for a period of time, we recommend placing your account in vacation mode. This will allow you to inactivate your listings so they'll be unavailable for purchase. Finally, tip number 5, Never accept an unofficial cancellation request from a customer. A customer may request a cancellation via buyer-seller messaging. If you haven't received an official cancellation request, let them know they need to submit one through their Amazon account. If the customer never submits an official request, ship the order on time and advise they initiate a return once they receive their order. For more information on this module's topic, search for Order Cancellations in Seller Central. This concludes our training on order cancellations and account health. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.